Hello YouTubers. I was asked by a fellow modeler to do a video on how I did my grades, and basically all I used was a square that I attached to a 24-inch level. You can velcro it on, you can strap it on with tie wraps, even tape it on. I just use some clamps to clamp it on. And to calculate the grade, it was easy. All you need to do is grades are calculated in percentage. So you take 100 inches, and if the track rises 2 inches in a 100-inch span, well, then you have a 2% grade. Just divide that down. I didn't use exact science. I just took this 24-inch ruler and figured that a 1/4 inch elevation on 24 inches would give me roughly a 1% grade, just a little bit less. So as you can see, put the ruler or the square, the level, flat on the high side, and put the ruler end of it on the low side. Now I'm measuring the cork. Since this area is done, I would have normally measured the sub roadbed, but on the cork, with it resting on the cork here on the high side and on the low side, if you look, I'm a little bit right now. I'm at 1/2 inch from the bottom of the level on the square. The square is 1/2 inch below the level, so that would stand to reason that if you have a level, you have a 2% grade, which is roughly what I have here. And that's it. It's not rocket science. And as you go along your layout, just use this device to measure the sub roadbed, and you should be pretty accurate. That's it for now.